Hi, my name is Valerie Jeffers, and today we'll be going over our Microsoft Office Backstage view to prepare you for your MOS exam. Let's take a look at the document. We're now in our Microsoft Word document. We're going to click on the File tab to get to our Backstage view. We're going to add a title. We're going to call it Spring Event. We're not going to add any comments. We're going to make sure that we're showing all of our properties. So we're going to click to show all properties. And we're going to add draft for our status. We're not going to add a category. We're not going to add a subject. If there was a tag on this side under properties, we would add flyer. That will allow us to quickly find the document if we were searching for it. We see we have manager and we see who the author of this document. Let's click on the left side of our pane and click on options. Go to proofing. We're going to click on show readability statistics. This will allow us, once we do our spell check, to find out what grade level the document is written in. We're going to click to hide spelling errors in this document only, hide grammar errors in this document only. This will allow any words that was specific to our organization. Once we did the spelling and grammar check, we would not see the red squiggly lines because we've had these two boxes checked. However, that would not prevent you from manually performing a spelling and grammar check. Let's click on Save. Microsoft Word saves auto recovery information every 10 minutes. We're going to change that to every 15. We're going to also click to embed fonts in this file. We're going to check do not embed common system files and embed only the characters used in this document. By doing this, if I was to send this document to someone else and they did not have fonts that I perhaps downloaded to my system, this will allow the document to be identical to what I originally want it to look in the fonts that I used. Also, it would not embed common system files once I send this document to them. Click on Customize Ribbon. This is where I can have customize, add anything to the ribbon or custom tab and groups. I can make my own. I can also go under the main tab and I can expand. I can click on clipboard and I can remove if I did not want this feature on my main tab. However, I can also add anything that I would like added to my main tab that's not already there. Click on my quick access toolbar, and these are common features that I normally use. I'm going to add a feature, but I'm going to put a separator there that will let me know exactly what was currently on my toolbar and what I just added. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to pick spelling and grammar, and I'm going to add this to my quick access toolbar. It's now added. I'm going to click OK. I go back to my quick access toolbar. I see spelling and grammar is there. If I arrow down, I can also click on it to remove it if I did not want it to appear in my toolbar. And I also see the separator that I just added to separate what was currently on my toolbar and what I currently added. Let's review what we just learned. Number one, if I click on my file, that takes me to my info screen where I can add a title, I can add tags and other information regarding my document. Number two, if I click to show all properties, I won't miss any information regarding my document. So be sure to do that. Number three, if I click on the left side of my pane and choose options, I can modify any proofing. I can change any save. I can customize my ribbon and my quick access toolbar. Hopefully these features will help you and assist you in successfully completing your MOS exam.